Alright, I didn't bring an ND filter here, so we're just gonna try and make do with what we got. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Freely. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my camera bag type of video. I've never done one of these before, so I'm really excited to be doing it for the first time. But I'm actually in Hawaii at the very moment. I'm staying at my childhood home, the home that I grew up in when I lived here in Hawaii. So super excited to be doing this video here in the place where I grew up. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I mentioned in this video, they'll be all linked in the description. So I'm not too sure what kind of backpack setup this is, but the best way I can describe this is my travel camera backpack for right now. This is used as my day pack, but this is also being used as my travel bag. It can hold all the stuff that I need for a day. This backpack I'm using is the Wander Duo backpack, something I got very recently, and I'm really loving it so far. It pretty much ticks all the boxes and is not too big and not too small for a day's worth of stuff. So first off, we're gonna get to the top of this bag. This quick access one right here. This one I just have very small things. So I have my Bluetooth earphones inside here. This is probably one of my most used items in this entire backpack because it's just like AirPods and they're super convenient, super small, and very affordable. So since this is like my travel slash day pack slash camera bag, I just have a whole big mix of things. So that's why it's kind of hard for me to really title this video because it's kind of all three in one. And this is more of my minimal one too because I don't carry a lot of gear in here. Once again, my wallet, my mask, I carry a pen in here also, you know, some Burt's Bees lip balm, some Thieves sanitizer spray. It has a key hook in here also. Carries my keys and my Bluetooth earbuds. So that's everything in this pocket. I really love this pocket because it's on top of the bag. And what's really handy is like if I'm at the airport and I'm carrying my bag like this, it's easy to access the things right here on top. Super cool. The front of the bag right here, if you open it like this, there's a more of like a flat pocket. I don't really keep anything in here because I don't really have any flat things that really go in this area. But on the side here, my water bottle. It's a very basic water bottle here. I have this like Washington wood sticker on top. You know, stay hydrated. So we're gonna get to the top of this bag right here. So once you open it just like this, and you have access to like pretty much all of the bag, or most of the bag, through this top portion right here. So let's just go through it really quick. So first off, I have my 14-inch Macbook Pro in here I got recently. Honestly, this is probably one of the best laptops you can get right now in terms of portability and power. I've been using it pretty much every day. I've been editing all my videos on it and it's just been absolutely superb. I'm working on a video where I pretty much go through how it is editing on this thing because that was one of the main selling points of this laptop. So I want to talk about it, you know? Alright, so in this other small pocket here on the side, I have some backup battery. You know, especially when traveling, you never know. You're gonna need some backup battery. And especially for the Galaxy Z Flip right here, the battery isn't that great on this phone. So I always keep this inside here on the side pocket, just in case. This pocket here up front, I have a 50mm on top a Viltrox speed booster. I just like having a different change of lens when I travel, so it's not just all the same. This is a really great portrait lens, and if you want to adapt your EF lenses on your Canon M50, I suggest you get the Viltrox Speed Booster linked in the bio. I also carry around with me my Ilford Sprite 35-2 film camera. I've been taking a lot of film lately and, you know, just great to have a film camera. And this is a point and shoot. You just change the film inside, so it's a reusable, disposable camera. Since I'm traveling, I do bring my Nintendo Switch. Inside this front pocket up here in front, I have my charger for my MacBook. Goes inside this front pocket here, and I also hold my external hard drives inside this pocket also. So it's just very generic. This used to be like a headphone like carrying case, but I repurposed it for my external hard drive case. So that goes right here in front. Alright, so that's pretty much this top area, but what's really cool is that you can open this bag all the way just like this, so it completely opens up. If you look right here, there's this big cube area this is where I store my camera stuff. So I have my M50 here with the battery grip, and then I keep my shotgun mic in this pocket. That's all I bring with me. It's a very, very minimal setup, and I'm able to make videos just like this. Of course, I have a bendy tripod too. I place it right here next to the switch. This is a very minimal setup, and this is basically all I need to make videos when I'm not home. There are a couple things I wish I did have in this entire kit. One thing is my ND filter. Like right now, it's very bright out and pretty much maxed out right now, but it would have been really great if I brought an ND filter. I also would have opted in to bring my GoPro. My GoPro takes up almost no space, so it would have easily fit inside this entire pack. Like I said, this is a very minimal setup and pretty much has everything I need to shoot videos. And actually, for the past like month and a half of videos I've been creating have been just with this small kit. Just the M50 battery grip and the M50 with a shotgun mic and a tripod. Nothing too crazy. When it came to like over bright or too bright situations just like this, I just go in the shade. So really, this is really all I need. And travel wise, day pack wise, and just like camera wise, it's a very minimal setup. You know, I have my computer to edit everything, my camera to shoot everything. Everything fits in a bag just like this. Once again, if you guys are interested in seeing more of these products, I'll have them all linked down below. If you guys want to see a video about the Fieldtrack Speed Booster where you can adapt your EF lenses on your cameras just like the M50, check the top link. And eventually I'm going to make a video on this bag, so once that comes out, check the bottom link. With all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm in Hawaii now, so I'm gonna go to the beach or something. See you guys in the next one.